Like we had promised, let's see what tools are provided by Google to help us build Android apps. We will look at two tools here. One is Android Studio and the other is Software Development Kit or SDK. Let's look at Android Studio first. Android Studio is an environment that helps us create and edit Android apps. So, to define it, Android Studio is the official Integrated Development Environment (IDE) for Android app development. It has IntelliJ's powerful code editor and developer tools and various other features that enhance productivity while developing Android apps. So, what is IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is a software application that consists of many tools like an editor, compiler, package manager, automation tools, and debugger. These terms may not mean much to you right now, but you'll understand their overall purpose later. All you need to understand is that IDE is an environment that has various tools that aid in app development. Android Studio is a type of IDE. There are many different IDEs that are used for various purposes. Now, let's go to the second tool, which is Software Development Kit or SDK. Now, you must be wondering that when Android Studio has so many tools, why do we need another tool for the app development? Well, that's because Android Studio requires what are called collection of libraries and data. Now, these collections are not available in Android Studio, but are present in the SDK, and therefore the SDK is required for app development. The SDK is mandatory for any kind of development. You can look at it this way. If Android Studio is the kitchen that we need to prepare our dish, that is Android app, then SDK is the grocery store that provides important supplies for the kitchen. So, the Android Studio and SDK are bound together and they help us in developing Android apps. We will learn how to install and use them in the next module.